In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to record your screen while playing Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase a very straightforward way of recording your screen while you play Fortnite or any other games. For this method, you will need to download OBS. So in my opinion, OBS is not only the best, but also the most popular way to record gameplay of any kind on PC. So to start, go to obsproject.com and download it for Windows, macOS, or Linux. So once you have OBS Studio downloaded, you will be able to set it up. Usually they will give you an introduction on what you have to do and set up. For this video, I'm going to cover the basics, but I highly recommend that you watch a separate guide on how to properly set up the recording functions of OBS. The first thing that you have to do is add a source. So you can choose to add either a display capture or game capture source. If you choose display capture like I selected here, everything that is on your monitor will be recorded. So let's say, for example, I have this OBS screen here. It is appearing on the recording that you are watching. However, if I had it set to game capture only, then it would only record the screen related to Fortnite, and anything on top, like this OBS screen, would be ignored. So choose whichever one you prefer. Once you have one of these selected, you can add an audio input capture if you would like your microphone to be recorded, and audio output if you would like the audio from Fortnite to also be recorded. With all of these sources set up, you can add optional ones as well, but I'm going to keep it simple. So afterwards, head over into these settings, and on the output tab, on the recording category, you will now be able to change additional settings. Set the recording path, so this is where all of your recordings will be stored. So every time that I start and then stop a recording, my videos are dropped off in this folder. You can change the recording format. So I like to record in MP4, but some other formats might be more optimized. And the most important thing are the encoder settings. This is all going to depend on which CPU, GPU you have available, the storage devices, and so on. Like I said, please refer to a separate video to set all of this up. This is what I use, CBR at 7500 kbps, but this is by no means optimal, so do your own research. Go into the video tab and change the resolution of your recording. The higher you go, the more quality the video is going to have, but the storage size is going to increase dramatically, so keep all of that in mind. And once all of this is saved, just choose the start recording option. Now you can go inside of the game, queue up for a match, play, and after all of that is done, you will be able to open OBS to stop the recording. I hope I was able to help you on how to record your screen while playing Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.